4. Carrion City. Another night of rot, simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways. The streets are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions. Every corner consumed with vermin and vice. Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall? And now, we got some freak carving his way through the city. Leaves skin like paper trails. The streets whisper fear and cover-ups. Me? I just whisper. Tuesday. This city's drowning in misery. With everything else for sale, murder was just waiting for its turn. Who am I? The name's Dick. Detective Dick Slater. And I'm the only one keeping the filth from spilling over and drowning this city in its own sin.
Slater, come in! Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
She's looking for you. Get down to the station.
Fine. Tell him I'm on my way.
Whoa! Okay, that one was loud. Storm's really coming down tonight. Great. Now I'm wide awake. If this keeps up, I'm not getting any sleep. Might as well make some matcha. The stove has been broken for a few days now. The landlord still hasn't sent someone to fix it. Damn it! The water pressure is low again. This place is falling apart. Let's see how much pressure you can take. There. That should be enough cranking to get...
Hey, it's your boy, TJ Wolves, the voice of Carrion City. Now I wish I had better news for you night owls, but the word on the street is the cops still got nothing on the psycho they're calling the Skin Stapler. That's right, folks. No arrests, no suspects. City Hall says everything's under control, but around here, we know better. Half the department's crooked, the other half's asleep at the wheel. So lock your doors and keep that dial right where it is. Stay sharp, Carrion City.
That really hits the spot. Perfect with this weather. Who could that be? Hello?
Good evening, citizen. Darien Municipal Department calling.
Carrion Municipal Department at this hour?
Well, the city never sleeps, and neither do we.
Okay. What do you want?
Oh, just a quick courtesy call. We'll be shutting off the power to your building soon for a test.
Tonight? During a thunderstorm?
The timing is exquisite, isn't it?
Wait, what?
Enjoy your evening, darling.
The hell was that? Well, if the power's gonna be out soon, I better set up some candles around the apartment. I have some in the bathroom. Damn, that was quick. got to be kidding me. Who the hell could that be? Hello? Who's there?
Hello, young lady. Carrion Municipal Department.
You're the guy who called earlier?
That's right. I'm verifying the power shutoff didn't cause any complications. I just need to step inside and check a few things.
I'm not opening the door.
Oh, just a quick look, my dear. Won't take but a moment.
You can look tomorrow, when the sun's up.
Aww, but that would ruin the surprise.
What surprise?
Tisk, tisk, tisk. No spoilers, my darling. Now if you could kindly open the fucking door.
Not a chance in hell, you freak!
Fine. If you won't open the door, I'll make my own entrance.
Oh god, oh god. I need to hide, now! The big cabinet in the bathroom. I can't move. What did...
Don't fight it. It's working exactly how it should.
Fuck! Why can't I feel anything?
You should be thanking me, darling. You won't want to feel what's coming next.
Wait! Hold on! You don't have to do this!
Oh, but I do. This is my favorite part. You've got an interesting collection of toys lying around. I thought it never really lied.
blades displayed. Admire. You take good care of them. It's time one of them took good care of you, no? Good old Carrion City PD. Its halls smell of stale coffee and disappointment. Let's see what the chief wants this time. Evening, Debbie.
Oh my god, Dick. You're like totally late again.
Yeah. You and Luna taking bets?
Totally. She like owes me $20 now.
So, how many degenerates we got locked up tonight?
Not many. Chief doesn't like feeding them. He wants all the food budget for himself.
Figures. Every year our budget gets smaller and his belly gets bigger.
Okay, but, we do have one creep locked up. He keeps doing something weird over in that corner. But, like, I'm not going in there to make him stop. Okay, but, like, they don't pay me enough to keep these weirdos in line. Not my problem.
Solid strategy. Don't work too hard, Debbie. Hello, Luna. I see they still have you babysitting the front desk.
You're late again, Slater. I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
And yet, here we are.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Lucky me.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See you around.
Slater! Sir! Dick! Detective Slater! Sir!
Elmer, you hear any chatter about the stapler?
No, sir. But I was just thinking, if you need backup or someone to ride along, I've been logging response times, radio codes, crime patterns. I can really help out there.
These streets will chew you up and spit you out. You're a good kid.
But your place is here, at the station.
I just don't want to push buttons forever.
You don't want to see what I've seen. Just keep at it, kid. And let me know if you hear anything about the stapler.
Roger that, Mr. Slater. Detective.
You still chasing ghosts, Slater?
Someone has to.
Yeah, just don't expect me to keep up anymore. I've got 1 foot in the grave.
It could be worse. Most cops in Carrion City never make it to retirement.
Retirement? With how corrupt this city is? I wouldn't be surprised if they kept me on my beat till I kneel over in the streets.
A fate we both share, I'm afraid.
It's not too late for you, Dick. But me? Well, I'm getting too old for this shit.
Well, look who crawled out of his trench coat. You miss me, Slater?
Not even a little.
Shame. I've got a real thing for men who look like they got nothing left to lose.
Then aim lower.
Your loss. Plenty on me at this station. Speaking of, I saw a strapping young man headed to the chief's office.
I'm sure you'll get your claws into him sooner or later.
Hopefully sooner than later. If you talk to him, put in a good word for me, yeah?
I'm not your wingman. Get help, Roxy.
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
If you wanted punctual, you should have hired a watch. Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
That's Detective Robbie Knox, transferred from Routwood.
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote. Your work on the Full Mooner Gooner case back in '79 was legendary.
Yeah, city was edging on total collapse back then. But I put down that freak. For good.
You saved the city.
Saved? I just delayed the inevitable. Now we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's escalating, and you're no longer chasing him alone.
Excuse me?
Knox is your new partner.
What? You gotta be kidding me, O'Brien. You know I work alone. I can't be wasting time babysitting some new transfer. O'Brien.
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls. That's better. Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to him alone.
Roger that, Chief.
Listen, Dick, the mayor's so far down my throat about the stapler that I feel like I'm in a Diesel Cox film.
You're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer. That's in order.
Detective Slater.
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me.
Okay.
Rule 2. If things go bad, you stay behind me.
Got it.
Break either rule, I leave you at the curb.
Understood. I've been going over to case notes all morning.
Yeah? What did they say?
That this killer leaves messages.
That's one way to put it. Kid, you plan on hitting the button, or are we taking the scenic route?
Oh, crap. Right. Yeah. Sorry. Listen, Slater, I know you usually work alone, but I just want to help.
Do what I say when I say it, and we won't have a problem.
You ever get used to this?
To what? Elevators?
No, these kinds of cases.
It's all the same to me. Just another maniac that needs to be put in the ground. Enough questions, kid. We've got a job to do. Martin, has anyone else inspected the scene?
No one besides the initial officers.
Good.
You're looking a little stiff, Dick. Everything all right?
Just hoping this new partner isn't soft. There's no telling what kind of a mess the stapler left in that apartment.
Yeah, that nut wrecked the place. Good luck with your investigation, Slater.
What's missing here?
A bedroom, sir.
Good eye. Tell me what else you see.
An old dresser cabinet?
Look at the floor. You see that blood trail and the flickering light shining out from under the cabinet?
I do! The bedroom's on the other side of this cabinet. Why would a stapler block it off like this?
My guess is the remains of our victim are in there. All right, kid. Get this cabinet moved.
Marked will shed their skin to cleanse the city before judgment comes. That's cryptic.
Sounds like the ravings of a lunatic. Or a moron. I haven't made up my mind yet.
No. Listen. Marked, cleanse, judgment. That's religious language. What if he thinks he's chosen? Like he's doing this for a reason?
It's what every nutjob grabs onto when they want to feel important.
So you're saying it doesn't mean anything?
I'm saying it means he's gonna keep killing until we stop him.
Good point.
Bag the slides. We're done here.